Hey everybody, welcome to KB Woodworks. I am going to be talking about stocks on Tuesdays. If you guys want to tune into that, I started messing with the stock market about 2.5 years ago, and once I got the hang of it, I started doing really good, or pretty good anyhow. I'm not a day trader. I don't day trade. I believe in investing. Not that there's anything wrong with day trading. It's just not my cup of tea. I do some shorter trades, but most of my stuff is designed for long positions. Okay, I think it's really important that everybody knows the market and understands it a little bit so they can play it a little bit. I think it can change your family's life, and it can change, generations after you. It can literally just change everything. It can change the way you see money. It can change the way you look at products, the way you look at a company. It really helps you understand how the world works and how it functions. And then you can tap into that and you can get a piece of that pie. And we all want a piece of that pie, right? So I really just want to do it. I'm not expecting no money or anything. I just want to show you guys what I've learned, and so you can take what I've learned and put it in motion and have a piece of like what I have, which is security. I have security. If my car breaks down, I can pull into that and get my car fixed. My water heater, I need a new furnace. My kids, sports, can cost a lot of money sometimes. Whatever your situation is, hospital bills, whatever. It's nice to have that little bit of security, And then, not to mention, you do this for a lifetime. You're gonna have a pretty penny when it comes time to retire, And if you want to retire early, you'll be able to retire early. It can just completely change your life. And I think we all need to know the basics of it. So starting on Tuesdays, I'm going to start every Tuesday. I'm going to start Talk Stock Tuesday or something like that. I don't know. We'll come up with a name. Maybe y'all can help me out. So tune in Tuesdays if you want to learn about stocks. It'll be on this channel. And let's have some fun and learn some valuable stuff. Okay. For to YouTube, make sure you follow me on YouTube, like, share, subscribe. Look me up on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. The whole 9 yards. Blah blah blah. I really do appreciate you guys though, and thank you. I'm about to turn this slab here into a really big coffee table. I do have the sister slab to this, which is when they cut these slabs, imagine a log just the way it is, right? It's a solid log, and they come in and they, let's say they cut 10 slabs out of it. The sister slabs are the ones that are on top of each other. So there's this one and then this one. And what happens is they marry each other, so they look almost exactly the same. And when they look exactly the same, you can do some really cool stuff with it, because you get that butterfly effect, and it makes for a very unique project. Now, I'm not going to do that with this one though, unfortunately. I do have a couple other sister slabs that I'm going to pick up, and they're going to look really good. And I believe they're oak, and they're coming, and I think that's going to be my next project. But this one here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the center, and I'm going to cut this one in half, and that's going to be each side is going to be make up the coffee table. It's going to be a pretty wide coffee table. It's going to be nice and low to the ground, and big and beautiful. So it's going to be a really cool project.